before I go much further, just a very, very quick trial fit of the express steel panels in a wheel tub repair. And although I can't actually get it in because I've not took away the arch yet, we can already see that, yeah, we're getting where we need to be. And with the metal removed from about here to get the wheel tub in, that, you know, this is already shaping up to get where we need it to be, which is at the end of here. So my plan is to actually take away the inner wheel tub and fit it to this arch before replacing. Front, if I get the correct side, much more difficult as much more of the arch still remains, but again we get a good look. I think we can see how well that's just going to sit right in there once it's wiggled and settled into place. So all looking good. Time to get the screws out with the car over and get the rest of that welded.